Hey, it's Charlie from Nevermind, and I'll show you how to get your access token in order to start using the AI agent you paid for. And not less important, how to create a request with this authorization. Let's get into it. In the Nevermind app, navigate to the Purchased Agents menu. This lists all the plans you've acquired and the agents they grant you access to. Click on Agent Details. You'll see the list of protected endpoints and, right below them, your personal access token. Copy this token. We're now switching to Insomnia to test the access flow. Insomnia is an HTTP client, but you could use Postman, the command line, or the HTTP library in your favorite programming language. We have a simple POST request set up for our secured endpoint. Let's test it. In Insomnia, we send the POST request without including the access token in the headers. Nevermind security will stop us. We receive the expected 401 unauthorized error. Now we go to the Headers tab. We add the authorization header with the value bidder, the token we copied, we send it again, and the validation works. We get a 200 OK response and the agent's body, hello world. This confirms the token is valid and credits have been processed. The flow was: Nevermind validated the token, confirmed your paid access, redeemed the necessary credits, and only then allowed the hello world message to be executed. Security and monetization in action. Token secured and tested. You now have the credentials needed to call the service. Remember to include the authorization token header in all your application calls. Now, look into our tutorials for how to integrate this token directly into your code.